Simlipal National Park. It's a national park and a tiger reserve in the Mayurbhanj district in Indian state of Odisha, covering 2,750 square kilometers. Before entering the forest for the safari ride, one has to undergo the official documentation. We hired a car and a guide was provided. For the lunch, the tickets has to be collected in advance. Simlipal National Park derives its name from the abundance of the red silk cotton tree growing in this area. Simlipal Elephant Reserve originated mainly as a hunting ground for the royalty. It was formally designated a tiger reserve in 1956 under the Project Tiger in May 1973. Government of India declared Simlipal as a biosphere reserve in 1994. UNESCO added this national park to its list of biosphere reserve in May 2009. Eucalyptus planted by the British during 1900s are still found here. You can also get to see Mahavriksha Sal, the grand sal tree or the tree god, which is 3.5 centuries old and above 100 feet tall. Call it a myth or history, the grand old tree assumes enough significance both at local and global level. You can hear fascinating tales. More than 100 years ago, an attempt was made to cut down the tree. The saw blade got stuck up in the tree trunk and a red color fluid started oozing out. Watching this, one of the cutter died on the spot, another died vomiting blood hours later. Since then, people stopped felling sal trees and can be seen the locals performing puja. The Simlipal is a treasure house of 1,076 species of plant belonging to 102 families. 96 species of orchids are found here. The evergreen forest of Simlipal are, although famous for tiger reserve, the dense wood are also known for nurturing the beautiful aromatic orchids. First stoppage was the orchid garden. It's quite interesting to know out of 130 species of orchids in Odisha, 93 of them can be spotted in the jungles of Simlipal. The sal, asan, simuli and the mango trees host exotic flowers. Cutting through the forest are the numerous streams. One can see the Khoiri river from here, where the Tigris Khoiri was once found. The grassland and the savannas provide a grazing ground for the herbivores and hiding place to the carnivores. The forest boasts of innumerable medicinal and aromatic plants which are source of earning to the tribal people. Our eyes continues to search while our guide keeps us in alert, and thus The car was stopped for the next stoppage. It is just unbelievable when you see the cascading waterfall from the sky. One has to walk through the rocks to reach the spot. Uski waterfall is situated in Simlipal Tiger Reserve. The river Bandhan, when drops, creates the beautiful waterfall called Uski. Uski waterfall ran the essence of the memory of Princess Tigris. The water flows into a river-like stream in the banks of the river Kirai, where the tigress was found. Among all the three waterfalls, Uski waterfall location allows you to feel the mist and just get lost in the beauty of the water vapor around. Spread over 2,750 square kilometers, Simlipal biosphere has 1,076 species of plants, 242 kinds of birds, 42 species of mammals. Major mammals include Bengal tiger, leopard, Asian elephants, sambar, barking deer, jungle cat, wild boar, giant squirrel, and the common langur. The melanistic tiger or the black tiger is only found in Simlipal. There are 12 rivers and many majestic mountain peaks and 2 unique waterfalls. The Mahavriksha Sal or the tree god still continues to be one of the Simlipal best kept mysteries. Behripani waterfall is India's second highest and Odisha's highest waterfall. The fall originates from the river Buddha Balanga. The height of the waterfall is 309 and it's one of the tallest waterfall in the country. Water cascades down from a height up to 399 meters in 2 separate tiers and settle down in a pool. The picturesque beauty and the height of the fall leaves you awestruck to create a magical ambience. It feels like an orchestra being played, one stream at a higher note, another at a lower note, all at the same time. Tiger sighting is heavily dependent on luck. Before we see the tiger once, the tiger would have seen us 100 times. We visited the forest on November 6, 2021, which had been kept closed during the pandemic completely. The wildlife species might have found the safari movement not welcoming. We were lucky enough to visualize spotted deer, sambar, and common langur. Juranda Falls. Juranda Fall is located in the Simlipal National Park near Dhanaulti in Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. Behripani Fall is located close to Juranda Fall. It is the 19th highest waterfall in India. Juranda Fall has the total height of 150 meters. The water plunges over a lofty cliff into a single drop, spreading out silently as it falls. There are 10,000 people living in 61 villages in the forest, and that is the why Simlipal is yet to be declared full-fledged park despite having a status of the 18th biosphere of India. 2013, 13 families from Khadia tribe were relocated outside the tiger reserve, as per the guidelines set by the National Tiger Conservation Authorities. Following the relocation, the tiger sighting in the core area has gone up. There are two villages, Kabatkhai and Bakua, still present in the core area of Simlipal. The tribe alleged the relocation to be forced and wished to claim their rights under forest rights. As we crossed the forest, we could see the innocent kids wave their hand and greet us. It must be a sheer humanity that brings a smile without any expectation. We are about to exit the forest. The Simlipal forest would remain as a memory in our heart. The smile would stay for a long time and the warmth would be kept in our heart.